What's up guys, Matt over here, Lethal Camaro, and today I want to bring you an install video on how to swap out your shift knob and or boot that covers it all for your manual 6 Camaro. Now, in this instance, we are installing the ZL1 boot. It's the micro suede fiber. It's a really simple install. We'll get right on into it. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing is we will be replacing this whole section. Where is it? I misplaced it. So this is the ZL1. You're gonna pretend you're a ZL1 now, huh? In this car? Yes? No. They do make this now with the 1LE that says SS on it, but regardless, you can see the clips. So there's a clip here. It sits just like on here. You don't have to rip everything apart or take apart the entire console. You're basically just unclipping these clips and then we'll put the new one in and snap it back in. In this instance, I am gonna use a finishing tool. I've seen people or heard of people pulling on the leather to unclip it, but this seems to be a little bit tougher for this video. That side's loose. Where's the clip on this one? Dead center. Don't scratch. Wants to come out. It's like right there. I'm just afraid I'm gonna scratch that. And be very careful. Oh, it was there. I need like more grip. I need more grip. Can we get some R888s up in here? It's like. Are you cringing right now? Nope. It like doesn't want to come free. It's Canadian car problems. I know, it makes me wonder, did they make the Canadian one different? Why do you hate me so? Maybe there. Keep the clip from going back. There we go. See, I was just being super nervous, but man, that was easy. Okay, so on the driver's side, at least in this instance, the bolt is right here. It is a T20. It's literally just loosening it up, and the whole thing should just pull right out. Just don't drop the bolt in your in your shifting bay. Being nervous. Nervous. Don't be nervous. Nervous. Can you tell? I thought it was a lot less thread than this. Doing it by finger. There we go. I'll put you on the parking brake. And there you go. Comes right off. We have the new shift knob. Again, I'm just going to push it in just like that. And that's going to reveal the bolt on this side. And we're just going to slide it right on. There's only one way to put it on, so you can't do it. You can't mess up. We'll take the bolt and put it back in. There we go. So now that the shifter's on, we're basically just going to snap this all back in place. And there's probably a good corner to start with, but whatever. There you go. She's installed. Simple as that. So, for all you guys out there who are going to do this install, you now know it's super easy. That was the full install for a shift knob for your 2016, 2017 Camaro SS, 1LE, and ZL1, and probably Z28, and probably the RS versions as well. But, you know, just be careful when you're pulling out the boot. You don't have to take many things apart. It's just some clips in there. My finger strength was weak, or actually I was just really nervous. I was going to rip the boot. But using a detail tool like I did made it a lot easier. I propped the one corner and then got the second corner and the whole side just popped up. So super easy. Either or, thanks for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed this content or looking for more Camaro content, hit that subscribe button. If not, likes, comments, shares, always appreciated. Check out Lethal Camaro merchandise down below. But until next time, I'll see you on the road.